Hello, Namaskar, and happy Janmashtami to all. This is Neeraj here, and welcome back to my channel, Financial Market Analysis Twist by Neeraj Shah. So, thanks to all the subscribers, thank you very much. And in today's video, I just wanted to highlight some of the hidden statistics. Not so hidden, but it's ignored by the media because it doesn't suit them. Regarding the COVID cases in USA and its impact on the stock markets. So, just to give you a little background about this is that if you have observed in last 2 to 3 weeks since the start of August, basically the COVID cases in USA has risen significantly, very high. It's like it's reaching to the levels of what in the peak time in 2020 COVID peak time was there, you know, when it was April, May, June, July, when daily cases, it is reaching to the same level on an average of 135,000 per day, you know, around 100,000, 135, 150,000 per day average. Okay, and which is not at all highlighted anywhere by media. It is totally ignored by media or any of this business channels or anybody. Nobody is showing it. Why? And when India, just 3 months, 4 months before when the cases were rising in India, they were showing so much about that mismanagement of this COVID in India. But this is also, again, I want to highlight is that in USA, it's more than 50% of this population is, as per the record, it is vaccinated. Okay, so if you know me, I've been not a very big fan of all this medicines and pharma companies, but I have put my views on the record regarding vaccination. So let it be. So what it proves is that despite of this 50% of the vaccinated population, it is rising. You can give whatever name you want to give. It is Delta, Beta, Lambda, Alpha, all these variants. But as it has been proven that it doesn't deter COVID cases from rising. So I just wanted to, without wasting much time, I would just show you some of the statistics regarding this COVID cases and deaths in USA, and just want to highlight that. So you see, these are the COVID cases per day. If you see from August 10, what it shows this is from the August. So if you see 135,000 cases, it's each date wise, you know, from August, see, where on the 23rd of August it was 230,000. On 20th of August it had reached 319,000 cases, COVID cases per day. So you can see that, you see in last 2-3 weeks what is the case. And what anybody is talking about, nobody is talking about it. Why? Because it doesn't suit them to talk about the USA and the market. You know, everybody is making hay while the grass is green. It's like this way. So people are having party. And now you see the coronavirus deaths. I will show you the statistics of the death statistics and the changes. See, it was 2,640 on 20th of August. You see what is 1,400. On an average, it's more than 1,200 to 1,300 per day deaths are happening. So why it's happening? Even though everything is fine, USA is the most advanced and prosperous nation. Vaccination is for 50%. So this is, I wanted to highlight this little in this video about the statistics about the coronavirus cases and the deaths. Now you look at this S&P index, I will show you in the August. You look, when the cases are rising, the market is going up. Cases are coming down, market is going down. So it is direct relation is that if the cases keeps on going, you will have, more and more of the market rising. So what is the connection between that? Let me just, and one more chart I would like to show you is that euro dollar. What has happened? You see, from the August of 10th, when the cases have started rising, it is going, the dollar is actually depreciating. And again, it is, it has appreciated quite a bit when the Fed had announced that tapering will be a kind of wind up in this year. But after again the Fed announcing not the clear date about the Fed, US Fed stimulus tapering, bond buying tapering program, so it has started rising. So what is the meaning of this is that the meaning is that as the cases are rising, deaths are rising, so the market is expecting that there won't be any any step by the US Fed and the government which will hamper the economic growth recovery because of this rising COVID cases and all these things. So they will continue to, in short, US Fed and US government will continue to support the market by releasing liquidity and by not tampering with the liquidity. So the party is on. So, make merry while everything is fine. So make merry when the party is on, and don't think about the tomorrow. Or let it be against, all this economics, against the basics of the tomorrow. So who cares about the future? Right now we have to save the right present, because if we can't survive in the present, then there is no future in any case. So in short, the party is on, the market is on, stock market continues to rise, and looks like with the rising in COVID cases in USA, you will have more support from the US Fed regarding, and there won't be, very soon, whatever the sooner the later, it was like this way, but there won't be this tapering happening very soon. Tapering of the US bond buying purchase, US Fed purchase of this bond programs. So the party continues, and the dollar will also now again depreciate, look like, and that way the party continues where the money is, that is the commodities. So if the party continues because of the commodities. Keep that in mind, not because of any defensive and consumer durables or the consumable stocks, because this party had started with the government stimulus all over the world, with the infrastructure stimulus by the government and not by the private sector. And it continues also because of that continuing pumping and the putting money into the infrastructure. And that is where the commodities exemption, the consumption of commodities keeps on happening and going up, demand of commodities. But consumer durables or the consumables, the people don't have money to buy those things. So that is where the party, or you call so defensive sectors, will not happen. So that's what I just wanted to share my view also regarding this COVID cases in USA and the deaths also. So you can make up your own judgment regarding what is happening, because this small piece of news or the information statistics nobody shares, nobody is showing. So I just showed you that it is really again going back to the peak of the COVID cases in USA is what happened in 2020 peak. The same thing we are reaching, and that is where the market also continues to rise. And that's it from my side. If come next time with some more interesting views or data or some more interesting theory, we'll come back and discuss it with you. Till that time, ciao from Neeraj from Moscow. See you.